So currently I'm on One UI 4.1, which is based on Android 12. And to downgrade to One UI 3.1, first take a note of the build number and especially the number after U. So for me it is U4. Now let's head over to our PC. And now we will download Odin software, which we will use to flash the firmware. So download and install the latest version. The second, we will download the drivers for our Samsung device. So we will use Samsung keys. So just install it on your computer. And lastly, the Android 11 firmware file. So go to this website and then in the search bar type your model name, which you can find from the build number. So mine is M32 SF, and from the drop down we need to select our country, and here on the left side just select the number that I told you about, U4, U5. So I'm going to select U4. So this is our current bootloader number, and we cannot flash anything else than what we are currently on. So for me U4 has the Android 11. So check for your device and then just download the firmware file for the your respective bootloader number. You can choose from all these three mirrors, but the Google Drive one is the fastest. And after you have downloaded the three files and install the keys and the Odin, now we need to extract the firmware file. So just right click and extract it. You will see 6 files inside the folder. So now we can open the Odin software, and now we need to switch off our Samsung device. So we're going to power it off, and now press the volume up and volume down button together. So while pressing those buttons together, plug in the USB cable which is connected to your PC, and your phone will boot into the downloader mode. Now press the volume up button to continue the flashing process, and now do not touch your phone and unplug it, just keep it aside. And in the software, in the Odin software, you can see that it says that the device has been added. And now one by one we can start flashing all the 6 files. So the first one is the BL file. So just click on it. Now locate your firmware folder and then just select the BL file. Do not select any other file, just select the corresponding file. Now the next one is the AP. So just select AP, and here it might get stuck, so do not click anything, just wait for it and make sure you're choosing the correct files. Now similarly we will select CP, and finally the CSC file. So we have 2 CSC files, but we need to select only the first one, not the Home CSC. So now all the files are ready and we don't need to do anything else. And if you go to the options, you can see. So do not select anything else and just start the process. So now the flashing process has been started, and do not interrupt it, and it will take some time. So just set your device aside, and after a while you will notice that on the top left it will say pass, which means that everything has completed successfully. And also your phone will start rebooting, and it will now reboot into the One UI 3.1 setup screen. So now you can start using the downgrade version, and I've noticed improved battery life and performance. And you can also upgrade to Android 12 from the OTA. So that was it for this video. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you in the next one.